well, we're going to do the 900-pound test. So this is the Wicket gauge cylinder number 1. You can see where it's hooked up. The hoses are hooked to it. It's fully retracted. Cylinder's full of oil. We've actually been running it now for a couple of hours in and out. I've done a few tests, but now we're going to video document. So I'm going to bring it to 900 psi on the gauge, and we're going to do the, there's Lyle, great. We're going to do the 900-pound hold test. You want a video of it too there, Steve? So there's the pressure gauge. We haven't touched the lever yet for testing, and it's at 0. So we're going to bring it up to 1000 psi is at the top, and you can see that we're pretty much at 900. And we started that at around 40 seconds, so we'll stop at 540. There's the cylinder. It's actually under pressure on the retract. We'll actually redo this test again on the extension, and we'll do the leakage test as well on the extension. So we'll wait for 5 minutes. You want to hold that, Dean? I'll go around and look for leaks. As you can see, so we had it at 900 psi. You'll see that again in a minute. There's our gland packing. Take a look all the way around. It's dry. There's no evidence of any type of leakage at 900 psi. We've basically been at it a full minute now. Take a walk around the cylinder. You can see on this side, same thing. Look. You see there's no leakage anywhere. Pressure is actually applied to this port right now. So you see there's no leakage here either. The back port, of course, there's no pressure there. That should be a relatively zero pressure because it's all on the inside. You can see that we put the cylinders back to back for testing. Our engineer decided that was rather than making a backing plate, this would serve better than a backing plate, which again we've been testing for over 2 hours, and you see absolutely no leaks at all. Right. You see the hoses leading to the power unit. This is the power unit that we've been using. There's the control valve. See, he's holding the control valve at full. We're actually taking 2 videos. Go back again. Gauge is still at 900 psi. Holding. We're at 3 minutes 12 seconds, so actually on our way to 3 minutes in. And there's the second video of it. Check again for leaks. See, there's the gland, where the gland packing is. Down around, still remaining dry. Dry underneath. No leakage whatsoever. Go to the other side. Zero leakage. We have about another minute to go, and then we'll run it out. So as soon as we get another minute there, we'll start running it out so that this video will show it on the extend. You had 4 minutes? 1 more minute left? Yeah. Okay. Everything is good. Go back and you'll be able to see that again, still holding it. And the pressure is still, if anything, it's probably closer to 1,000 psi. So all is good. Got about 20 seconds to go. We'll be at 5 minutes. Okay, Dean, you want to start extending it? Alright, so we did the hold test. As you can see, the cylinder is starting to go out. It's actually pretty slow, but it holds 60 some gallons of oil on the back side. So I'm going to stop the video now and I'll come back when we do the leakage test.